Hi guys, I'm Becky from Jungle Scout, and today we're going to have the grand old conversation about private label and multi-level marketing. What's the best choice to go for? Well, let's find out, shall we? First of all, what is multi-level marketing? Well, in simple terms, it's like a sales home business where independent representatives sell goods and services from a company to an end user. Think your Avon lady, for example. The multi-level bit refers to each rep's ability to recruit and train other reps. They then earn commission on their recruit sales. Think Herbalife, Amway, LuLaRoll, Roads and Fields, that sort of thing. There are two ways that you can make money with MLM. Number one, you can sell the products that you buy. Now, remember that you're getting these products at a discount, so you're going to be making a small profit regardless. Number two, you can recruit more people and then earn commission on their sales. So, in a nutshell, if you're not recruiting, then you're not making money. Even if you are recruiting, it's a hell of a risk to quit your job for, and in fact, only 3 of 1,000 people make money through multi-level marketing. So you're probably asking yourself why people actually do this. There is a sense of community, friends, family, and fun, and this is why people are so easily drawn to it. For some, it's all about that warm and fuzzy feeling of being part of something. Now, I'm sure that most of you have heard about private label selling, and the great thing about going down the private label route is that it's actually pretty easy. And there are figures to back up our preferred method of making money. You can predict sales using Amazon's BSRs and Jungle Scout. Something that you can't do with MLM selling is that you can't predict your future income. You may have an awesome month in March, but then in April you could sell nothing, and your hired reps may also be having a really bad month. There's no consistency, unfortunately. Next is that you are selling your product.
What?
Yeah, you're selling your own product, not anyone else's. And this means that you have more control, flexibility, opportunity to scale, and that means long-term goals. FBA means that you can sit back and relax, and Amazon does all the hard work for you. And that includes storing, packing, shipping, and your customer service. With the private label model, you only need 4 or 5 hours a week, and that's to manage about 3 or 4 products once they have launched. And finally, you don't have to recruit anybody. So it's easy to sit here and say that private label is better. Sure, it's our method of choice and we do recommend it. Just remember that MLM and private label are both very different methods of making money at home. So I hope that's cleared up any questions that you guys have in regards to multi-level marketing and private label. Do you have any experience in either one of these? If so, leave your comments down below and let us know your thoughts. Remember to like and subscribe and to hit that little bell icon so you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. In the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So you're probably asking yourself why people actually, oh no, screwed that one up. Yep. Oh no, hold on. Oh, that bit's. Now I'm sure that most of you have heard about private label and nah. Nah, just nah.